she likes the snow.
I think Lily likes the snow. She's making snow angels.
Welcome to Download Nation.
Hey, guess where we're going? We are going to the Twins game.
No, we're not. No, we're not. It got canceled because of the hail.
Yep, the Twins got canceled. Matt's super disappointed. He's going to miss his first baseball game.
I am.
He is. Yes, the Twin got canceled, so we are on our way to a Girl Scout event called Minute to Win It. It's kind of a party. Yeah, it's a Girl Scout event. It's kind of a party based on that game show, Minute to Win It. And Mom said you had to do what? Put a Kleenex box on your butt?
I'm not doing that. We're not doing that.
Okay. So right now it's just kind of a little bit of sleet and hail. Roads are still fine. But like I said last time, we are under a winter storm watch. They're saying potentially 14 inches, a foot in the metro, and there's going to be a cutoff. So we're hoping we're going to be at the low end of that cutoff. Otherwise, maybe we'll build some snowmans tomorrow night. Maybe. Maybe. Sarah, what do we have to do? It's called Oreo what?
Face.
How do you do it?
You put an Oreo at the top of your forehead, and you need to try and move your eyes to get it kind of down. Where?
2 second rule, Matt.
What?
2 second rule. Oh.
Ow! It hurts so much.
You're almost there, Sarah. Here, oh, get it. Quick. Keep going. How much time's left? Oh, you guys better hurry. 30 seconds left. So close. Oh, did you do it, Jules?
What?
Woo! Julia got it. Oh, almost, Sarah. Get that one. Oh, lost them. Julie's got 3. Oh, there they go. We just got done at the Minute to Win It, and that was pretty fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Nobody did the
Junk in the trunk was interesting.
junk in the trunk.
It was weird.
Nobody wanted to do
It's basically who can twerk the best.
it. So we're gonna get out of here. All right, you guys, we are home. It's about 7:45. Matt's trying to catch sleet in his mouth. Anyway, you can see the driveway is kind of covered. So we're going to turn this into a 2-day vlog and see what tomorrow looks like in the morning, and maybe do some snowmen tomorrow. Yes, snowmen. April 15th, 14th. I don't remember the day. But we'll see what the snow looks like tomorrow. Mary! Spring cleaning.
Oh, that's What's that?
It is Saturday, and our plans were to go to church this afternoon.
No, I'm not.
Julia had a sleepover, but our plans were going to go to church. Yet I just pulled up on the computer. I don't know if you guys can see that. All Saturday services are canceled, so we are just hanging out inside. Julia, what are you doing?
Okay, no.
Sarah, what are you doing?
Coming down.
And Matt, what are you doing?
Trying to get sugar to make banana bread.
Oh, how's that working for you?
Fine.
Fine. Grow a few inches.
I'll carry you.
Shush.
I'll lift you.
Okay, getting ready to snow blow. You guys aren't going to believe how much snow we've gotten. Those of you in Minnesota will, but everyone else, you might be a little shocked. What did we just get done doing? Sarah, what are you doing? What did we just get done doing?
Snowballing.
Cleaning the driveway?
Lily got hurt.
Lily got hurt. Yep. She slipped and got hurt. Nothing to say, huh? What?
Sarah likes to spray perfume in her mouth.
Yeah, it's a weird habit.
Anyway, we're gonna... No, Sarah. Sarah. We're gonna try to warm up. There's my coffee. So. Alright.
Who's taking
Sarah.
a warm bath with Sarah?
Not me. No.
The ferrets.
No!
Alright. Sarah, we're gonna let everyone go here. I'm sure they've got some snowblowing to do too. So
What?
thanks for watching Dumb Rose Nation.
Stay warm.
Like and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh.
We'll see you next time.